Now I would like to invite Ms. Kalpana Desai on the stage, please. She is a tribalizing leader trustee of Bombay Port Trust. Mrs. Kalpana Desai attached her name in the history from 1982, a first woman Labour trustee in the 150 year of the Bombay Port Trust. Her leadership spans from the national and global platform, serving with the distinction of International Transportation of Workers Federation ITF since 1995. I would now welcome next honors for the extraordinary sail in the high seas. These are the seafarer which would be better to be introduced by the ex-mariner herself.
Thank you, Rehana. Next, I would like to call on stage Ms. Rupali Raj Joshi. She is Chief Engineer Rupali Raj Joshi. She is one of the pioneer women seafarer in the maritime industry. She currently holds the status of being the only woman chief engineer in India with the longest tenure of 8 contracts as chief engineer, that too on Indian flagged vessels. No mean feat. From 21 to 24, she held the position of Head of Marine Engineering Department at New Mangalore Port, again the only woman to hold this position in any port sector. She actively contributes to activities such as Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, marine safety protocols, trainings and mentoring programs. Ms. Rupali, one word you like.
Thank you everyone. I will not take much of a time, but I would like to thank each one of who has supported me till the journey, though it may be the colleague, senior or junior. The constant support of Sonali Madam is always there, as I was very much comfortable in my previous role in a port, but she dragged me from there to achieve high goals. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupali. Next, I would like to call on stage Chief Engineer Ms. Archana Saxena Sangal. A marine engineer by profession, she has served as Chief Engineer on board vessels with Tolani Shipping. Transitioning ashore, she took on the role of Technical Superintendent at both Crowley Accord Marine Management Private Limited and Tolani Shipping. In 2020, she founded Marine Arc Online Coaching Academy. Also an executive committee member of the INEI Navi Mumbai chapter and member of IWSF.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm deeply honored to receive this recognition. Thank you, NMDC, for considering me for this great honor. A heartfelt thank to Sonali ma'am for believing me and proposing my name. It has been a very long journey. I started as a cadet, engine cadet in 2002, and from there to, sailing as chief engineer and working ashore as superintendent, and then starting my own company. It's a long journey, but one thing I wanted to tell you that this seafaring actually taught me a discipline and the importance of working with dignity along with my colleagues, male colleagues, and it also instilled me ability to work under pressure, to take risk, to build teams, to be a leader, right? It actually gave me the life lessons which I implement now in my entrepreneurship, and I feel a great sense of duty to contribute more and more towards the welfare and growth of my maritime fraternity. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Next, I would like to call upon stage Captain Deepthi Singh. She took promotion of Chief Officer on bulk carrier, being a tanker hand first time. Received award from DG Shipping Lady Officer, obtaining highest marks in second mate COC examination. First lady who achieved a rank of master in the Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. Next, I would like to call on stage, we all love her, Mrs. Bharti Bhandarkar. Mrs. Bhandarkar has been a pioneering force in the maritime industry, aligning her vision with global initiatives to elevate the role of women in maritime. As an editor-in-chief of Bhandarkar Shipping News and co-director of Bhandarkar Publication, she has used the power of maritime media not just to inform, but to connect and consistently champion unity across shipping and its allied sector. A loud round of applause, please. She has really worked hard to connect the whole of the maritime industry. We adore and love her. She has always worked behind the scenes for the NMDC committee also. Many, many thanks, ma'am, for supporting the committee. Yeah. Next, I would like to call on stage Mrs. Sumita Banerjee. She has been an MBA from Mumbai University. Mrs. Sumita kick-started her career at Shipping Corporation of India in May 1990, where she spent 12 years pioneering initiatives like IND-FEX, India's first direct container service between India and China. She then successfully led her own feeder operations in Sri Lanka for a decade. With 35 years of shipping and logistic expertise, Sumita now drives strategic marketing and transformation initiatives as part of the All Cargo Group's leadership team. Next, we would like to call on stage Mrs. Bhanupriya. Ms. Bhanupriya is a naval architect from Andhra University College of Engineering with over 20 years of experience in designing large commercial ships, passenger vessels, and naval platforms. She has worked with prominent design and research organizations such as NSDRC, Good Earth Maritime Limited. Currently, she is leading Business Development Department and Naval Architecture and Hull Section of Design Department of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Please give her a loud round of applause. One of the very rare roles that a woman has held in the maritime sector. Next, I would like to call upon stage Mrs. Yen Pinto. She began her journey in crewing since 1977 with IMS Ship Management headed by Captain S.C. Sood. Over 10,000 Indian seafarers in the last 3 generations have been successfully placed globally on board national and foreign flagships. Her priority has been to build long, fruitful relationship with the seafarers and the principals. Next, I would like to call on stage Mrs. Poonam Nagpal, the Deputy General Manager of MSC Crewing Services and Head of MSC Delhi Office. She was awarded by the then Delhi Chief Minister, late Mrs. Sheila Dikshit, for the top position in West Zone schools in class 12 and 99. She has a very close networking with seafarers, MMD and Maritime Organization and Fraternity. She has been part of delegation of women in maritime under MMD Delhi. Thank you so much, Ms. Poonam. With that, we conclude the session of the NMDC, and we would like to thank all our esteemed guests for being here. Thank you so much, sir.